So just now I came back from a tea. So डाला है मैंने वो. So I used to drop in evidences, and my evidences used to stop in 2022. Then when the scammers got multiplied, ID frauds got multiplied, there might be more of them who might be doing this and stopping the real truth to come out by repeating me and using my old uh, evidences. And I used to upload from a long time. I dropped that the work related thing I have dropped. Now what it is? You tell me. What I got to do with anyone? Nothing. It's clear in open. It's clear out there. For my work, they were doing this, and they wanted to portray me bad, and so they could loot me. And what is happening now? You tell me. They sold the files. They run the scam racket. The money has been distributed among themselves, and they made the files viral. And so, and I have to set things up that I give copyright to the entire country. Go fuck. And I expose their crimes as well. कि उन्होंने क्या क्या crime किए to sell those files, to get money, to get fame, to get rich. क्या क्या crime किए and how they are connected to how they are uh, OTT platform and so production and everything. They already know this is a messed up situation. Still they are using it because it's their own mess. मैं कोई क्या बोलूँ मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकता. Corrupts are exposed. Drives are changed. They say drives are not changed. All this shit is there. So it's right there in front of everyone. So I dropped that work thing. I made it in 2022, December somewhere. And they are like stealing that too. मैं क्या करूँ?